Today, we're going to give this waterproofing spray a full test. As we get the bottle ready to use, also make sure whatever items you are treating are thoroughly cleaned and completely dry. We plan to use it to waterproof a rain jacket, but it also works for tents, sofas, leather, shoes, and more. And since this is a high-capacity, 17-ounce bottle, it is enough for larger items or even multiple applications. In addition to waterproofing, this spray will also protect your gear from stains and UV damage, lasting up to 2 months. So let's go ahead and waterproof this jacket. Application is simple. With the nozzle in spray mode, we hold the bottle about 10 inches away, applying it evenly across the surface of the jacket. You want to do this outdoors, or in a well-ventilated space. Also keep it away from flames or heat sources. The spray uses an advanced, nano, fiber shield technology, creating a long-lasting barrier. Although there is a slight, milky sheen as the spray is going on, it disappears once dry. We applied several layers, letting the jacket dry for at least 15 minutes between each application. And here is the jacket after a few applications. We're going to give it a good test by placing a dry paper towel inside the hood. We plan to spray it with a water hose and make sure that the paper towel is still dry, even after the hood gets soaked. Here we go. Alright, needless to say, that was quite a dousing. Let's go ahead and see how the paper towel looks now. Even with the hood completely soaked, we pull out the paper towel, and it is still dry. We did get this product for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.